Anynode, let's get started. The initial configuration chapter covers the essential steps for setting up Anynode. It includes the first start, the scenario selection in the Anynode wizard, and the start of the guided setup process. We're starting with a fresh Anynode installation. For additional installation guidance, please refer to our first steps instructional video. By default, access to the Anynode frontend is limited to localhost on port 8088 or 127.0.0.1 on port 8088. The maintenance and administration of Anynode can be performed from another computer by enabling remote access and adding a web server connector. We recommend that the connection used for the web server connector should only be accessible within the corporate network. You can find more information about this in our video tutorial Remote Access or in our tech note, Let's Encrypt and Company with Acme. First start. When you start Anynode for the first time after installation, you must set up an initial password for the default administrator account. The default username for the administrator account is always anadmin. The initial password must contain a minimum of 8 characters and should not include number sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4 for security reasons. The wizard will inform you during input whether the password is valid. Click Set Password. By agreeing to participate in our user experience improvement program, you can help us improve our product or service. Your feedback will enable us to enhance the overall usability and functionality, making it easier and more enjoyable. Once you have made your decision, select Continue to proceed to the next step. Anynode wizard. Let's proceed with the Anynode wizard. When you launch Anynode's frontend for the first time after installation, you'll automatically be greeted by the Anynode wizard. The Anynode wizard provides a user-friendly interface that leads users through various configuration scenarios step by step. For example, we will establish a connection between Zoom Phone and a voice-over IP provider, including complete routing. The Anynode wizard simplifies the configuration process by providing multiple predefined system profiles for voice-over IP providers, PBXs, and other voice-over IP systems. It handles the configuration work in just a few minutes. The Anynode Scenario Wizard provides a guided setup for frequently used scenarios. Guided setup. To begin the guided setup, the wizard will lead you through the process. In this example, we will be using the Zoom Phone premise peering and voice over IP provider scenario. Once you've selected the scenario, click Start and let the Node Interconnection Assistant guide you through the setup tasks.